K-maps is another way representation for truth table sum, right? So how we are going to represent the another way? You can able to simply represent in the form of some table format. Those table contains how many cells, right? If I am going to have n variables, how many values I can able to support? 2 power n values I can able to support. Am I right? Right. If I am going to have two boolean variables, how many minterms we are going to get? 4 minterms. If you are going to have 3 boolean variables, how many minterms you are going to get? 8 minterms. Right. If I am going to have n variable, you are going to get 2 power n minterms, where each and every minterm is going to represent it as one cell. Minterm I am going to represent as one cell. Right. If I am going to say that k as 2, I can call it as 2 variable map. If I am going to say that it is a 2 map, I can call it as 2 variable map. 2 variable map means how many cells are there? 2 square cells are there. 2 square cells means it will be like this. Okay. Is there another way are you going to get? So try to observe. If I am going to have the data like this, AB as input, you are going to get XOR gate as output. Assume that this is my logic function. 0 0 as input, 0 1 as input, 1 0 as input, 1 1 as 1 input, right? So 0 1 1, I think 0, right? So in order to represent these two variables A and B, you required 4 minterms, right? With the help of these 4 cells, can I able to represent or not? Yes, I can able to represent, right? So try to observe. I will write like this. This is A side, this is B side, right? A variables possibilities are what? 0 and 1. B variable possibilities are 0 and 1. 0 and 1, right? Now, what are the combinations we are going to get? One combination is 0 0. Try to observe. 0 0. Another combination is 0 1. Another combination is 1 0. Another combination is 1 1, right? Sir, is this the way only I need to represent? No. You can able to alter its directions also. Sometimes you may get like this, but the way that you are trying to define is important, right? You are trying to read now, this is BA, not AB, right? So now this is 0, this is 1, 0 and 1, right? So now what are the values? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 1 only, right? So this is the representation for two variable map, right? How this is used for the minimization purpose. Try to observe. So now where the ones are available for me? At 0 1, right? At 0 1 I am going to place one min term, that is 1. At 1 0 I am going to place one min term called 1. I have placed, right? So if I am going to place 1 and 1, is there any problem? Nothing, right? And what about these zeros? Can I place zeros here? If you want, you can place zeros. What does this 1 means? Min term. 1 means min term, 0 means what? Max term, right? Meaning that this table I can represent like this: summation of 1 comma 2, summation of 1 comma 2. Is it okay? Right? Another way is I can represent as product of pi of 0 comma 3, right? The same thing here also, right? Try to observe. How can we represent this particular representation? This is AB, not BA. AB. When you are trying to represent in the AB form, 0 1 results to 1. What is 0 1? How to read now? You have to read like this: AB. You have to read from top to left. Okay, na? So you have to, the way that you are trying to declare is important. You have to read from top to right. So when you are trying to read here AB, then only you will get the same meaning, AB, right? AB value is what? AB value is 0 1 means 1. What is 0 1 now? See, this is incorrect. you have to do like this. See, don't worry, once you complete the examples you can able to get clear idea, right? So now this is what 0 0, this is 0 1 or 1 0, 1 0, not 0 1, right? This is what I am writing according to this truth table, according to this truth table. This is what 0 1, this is what 1 1, right? Now try to write the values for 0 1 1, for 1 0 1, for 1 0 1 I am going to write the values again, again both are same. So in this like, is it a complete cube? There is no problem. Okay, so project of 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 I can write, right? But how these particular maps are used for the simplification, that is our question, right? So here, so the simple logic what you have to follow na, when you are trying to simplify an expression, through K-map method, you have to group, or you have to select a subcube, in such a way that should be in the powers of 2 power m cells. You have to make a subcube that should be in the powers of 2 power m cells, right? So if you are going to make a subcube of 2 power m cells, it means that each and every respective cell having m adjacent cells, I hope you understood. Is it okay? Right? If you are unable to like understood, let me try to go with an example which we'll discuss later part. Don't worry about like what is the exact meaning of this 4 variable map, right? So try to observe. I am going to say that, see, this is also a kind of a K map. How many cells are there here? 16 cells. 16 cells means what is a variable map? This one, 4 variable K map. This is a 4 variable K map. So 4 variable K map means here it is AB, here it is C. See, just for sake of this understanding, I am trying to say. Try to observe. This is 1 1 1 1, right? So you have to make a subcube. So can I call this center as a cube? Yes. So subcube ela undalante, you have to make a subcube that should be in the powers of 2. Is it in the powers of 2? Yes. So it is in the power of 2 square. 2 square. When I say that it is the powers of 2, if I take a cell called this cell, this red mark cell, that cell is adjacent with how many cells? 2 adjacent cells. Observe, this red mark cell is adjacent with this one and this one. If you take any cell, it is going to have m adjacent cell. That is the meaning of it, right? Fine. So now try to observe. In this particular example, how can you make this particular subcube? Is there any chance to make a subcube here? What are the possibilities of subcube? It will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, right? Is there any chance to have 2 square subcube? 2 square subcube, it is not possible, because when it will be the 2 square subcube possible? When all are ones. I can able to have the maximum cell of 2 square cell, but there is no chance for maximum of 2 square. So is there a chance to have 2 power 1? How? It's not, right? See, these two are not adjacent. So I can have a possibility of 2 power 0. So I can make this as one cell, and I can make this also one cell. This as a one cell, right? So once I make a subcube, then I can able to write the expression for it, right? So try to write. I am trying to do here. AB. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. This is 0 1 0 1. Right? As I made this as a subcube, what is the value of this subcube? So every subcube will act as a one min term. If I am going to take one as one as a value, right? Then how many min terms are there? If I am going to have n subcubes, if I am going to have n subcubes are there, how many min terms are there? If I am going to have n subcubes, I am going to have n min terms, right? Observe here, I am going to have two subcubes, so I am going to have two minterms. What are those minterms? What are this one represents? Try to observe. 0 1 means what, ma? A bar B, right? This 0 1 means what? This is 0, this is 1. 0 means A bar, this 1 means B. One more minterm is there. What is that minterm? A, B. A, B or B bar? B bar, right? I got the expression again, right? So truth table, so through truth tables also I got, through came up also I got the same result. Is it okay? Okay, fine. Now try to take some examples. I have the variables like AB, my expression is like this, meaning that it contains 1 1 1 1. What is the minimized expression? What is minimized expression? Try to represent in the form of zeros and 1, right? This is 0, this is 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, right? What is minimized expression? Right? So try to form the maximum subcube. So what is the maximum subcube possible here? 2 square. 2 square is there? No. Why? 2 square means what? 4 1 should be there. 4 1s are not there. So what is the next subcube possible? 2 power 1. When it is 2 power 1, is it possible? It is possible, right? When I am saying that it is possible, what you have to think? Is it adjacent to one among other or not, right? So if I take this one, is it adjacent to this one? Yes. If I take this one, is it adjacent to this one? Yes. Yes. So I can say that I can form a cube of size 2 power 1. If I form a cube of size 2 power 1, I formed it. Okay, done. Right? Now, once I form this expression, what is the expression you are going to get now? Right? You have to make the expression for this, right? So what is this value? 1. A. And what is this expression value? 0. What is the expression value? 1. So 0 and 1, when you are going to add, it is going to be removed. What is the meaning of this one, ma? This 0 means what? B bar. This 1 means what? B. B bar plus B is what? 1. So finally this expression is yielding to NA. Right? If in our terminology, if you would like to say, this 1, how we are going to write? How we are going to write this 1? 1 0. How we are going to write this 1? 1 1. Right? 1 0 means what? AB bar. 1 1 means what? AB. Right? Try to take out the common as A. You are going to get B bar plus B, which is equivalent to again A. So both are same. Right? This is the way you are going to solve the expression. Right? So try to take out one more expression. Now, right here, how many minterms you got? As there is only one subcube, we got one minterm, right? Similarly, try to solve this one. So, is there any possibility to form a subcube of size 2 square? No. Can I form a subcube of size 2 power 1? Yes. Right? Can I form a subcube of like this? Yes. Right? If I form a subcube of size this, what is the answer for this one? A. Right? A means what? This one. And in other terminology, if I would like to say, when you are trying to combine two cells, if there is any opposite 0 and 1, you can just simply cancel that, and you can just simply take this one. So 1 means what? A. For this one you got A. Right? For this one, is there any 2 power 1 cells? Yes. Right? Is there another chance to get 2 power 1 cells? There is a possibility, right? So you may think that it should not happen, but it need to be. This is also one kind of 2 power 1 cell is possible, right? If 2 power 1 cell is possible, what is the answer for this one? B. Yes, right? So this 0 and 1 are going to be removed, so it will be act as a B. So what is the final expression? A plus B is my final expression after simplification of this truth table. So meaning that, so I am going to construct now. Now I hope we got clarity, right? You are going to have input like this: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is the output? Output will be 0 0 is 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. If you are going to solve this expression, you are going to get a plus b. How we got this a plus b? So basic expression is what, ma? A bar b plus ab bar plus ab. You have to solve this expression first. If you are going to solve the expression, again you are going to get only a plus b. That is the advantage of K-maps. K-maps, right? So sometimes you may get certain doubt, like, sir, why can't I add like this? AB, you got the same data only. Sir, why can't I take this as one minter and this as one minter? Right? If I take this as one minter, so you have to choose in such a way that should be maximum subgroup. If it is not happen, what will be happen? This one represents what? 0 and 1. So you are going to get what? A bar b. A bar b, and this term represents what? A. You are going to get again a plus a bar b. Again a plus a bar b means what? A plus a bar into a plus b. A plus b, this is going to be common, take out, so you are going to get again a plus b, right? So you have to choose such a way that should be maximum subgroup. Even they are going to be overlapped. They may be overlapped, but it should not be completely overlapped. It should not be completely overlapped, right? So try to take out this example. So I am trying to take maximum extent of example sum, right? So this should be AB, assuming that all ones are there, right? Now what is the maximum subgroup is possible? 2 power 2. 2 power 2. If all maximum subgroups are possible, this is 0 1, this is 0 1. What is the result? What is the result? This is maximum subgroup. What is the result you are going to get? You are going to get 1. 1. Right? Other situation you may think that, sir, can I do like this? It should not happen. If you are going to do, what will happen again? You are going to get one more minterm. Already you got one complete minterm. That is a part of it. So it should not happen, right? Even if you try to do this one, what will happen? 1 plus a you are going to get. 1 plus a is equal to again 1. So you should not have to do a minterm which is a subpart of completely another kind of subgroup. Another kind of subgroup. Okay. Fine. So this should not be correct. Okay. Fine, guys. If you try to observe this particular thing, I will add one more point. So 1 1 is there, AB is there, 0 1 0 1. As I am trying to do here minimization, I try to combine two cells. If I try to combine two cells, what is the minterm we got here? Yeah, right? So when you are going to combine two cells, you got one variable. What is the meaning of son? When you are going to make 2 power m cells as one subcube, as one cube, you are going to get the resultant expression with m minus n literals. With m minus n literals, right? So how many literals are there? How many literals are there here? 2 literals. So how many cells you are going to combine? 2 power 1 cells, right? N value is 2. So here n value is 2. Here m value is what? 1. So final how many are you going to get? N minus m, that is 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 literal. Is it 1 literal or not? That is the thing you have to understand, right? So number of minterms you are going to get in the expression is equivalent to number of subcubes. Number of subcubes, right? And each and every minterm length, each and every minterm length or each and every minterm size is dependent on what? Size of subcube. You have to understand this point also. Each and every subcube size is depend upon each and every size of minterm is depend on size of subcube. Am I right or not? If it is a maximum subcube, I am going to get very less. Very less. That is what the meaning.